Shut up, noob!
Weather isn't too particularly great, and it's struggling to get our cancer.
I actually correct that. Here is the lake we will be fishing in. Here is our tent. Me and Scano, the architects, perfectly masterminded, whilst Deddy and James struggle, meaninglessly struggling to get their tent up.
I think we should give him a hand.
Nah.
Yeah, I said I left to go back to it before they get wet. What are you doing?
Also, we have Owen and Bradley over there, joined the party. You can zoom in on them. Yes, you can. There they are, enjoying themselves over there, enjoying the lovely British weather. What? What?
Day one of our fishing trip. We are in our tent because it is freezing and raining and too much wind. Scano, hey, and Matthew. How do you do? And then the other two boys are out there somewhere. And the unknown.
Look at the side of the tent.
I went straight. Just been running up to my socks and it's freezing cold.
Yeah, my shorts. Oh, I kind of really cool. Hey, how's it going? Here is the lake we are fishing in. We've seen it about 5 times. It's fat. I'm back.
Two more.
He's throwing out his weight.
Put it on the point for that.
He's in there. He's throwing in some sweet corn. There's a load of sweet corn in there. There's a whole tin of sweet corn. Shocking. Well. No. Go on, read you talking.
Just doing it, my
Oh, language read.
Oh, shut the hell up.
Language.
Fuck you up.
Let's go for your
Fuck you up. Fucking great.
This is no. I can't even do it, I got my
Turn back, bro.
You killed that.
Kill that. There's my feet.
Have a look. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's got a bite! He's got a bite! He's got a bite! Oh, nice, eh? I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Yeah. Got it there! What's the massive word here? Put it out to me. It's a big one, it's a big one. It's a 10-stone one. 10-stone. What? Here we have, we're gonna fish! Fishing! Ah! We're gonna eat well tonight, boys! Remember lads, this is nothing. And he's got a big fish. There you go. What is it? You can't swear. Oh, he swore. What's his name? I don't know your name. I think we should call him Carl.
Elmo.
Carl the cat.
Elmo.
The cook. Here we go. It's Nathan with his big cat.
Does that help?
No.
What the hell, no one crack?
Poke it in the eye.
Mind of a life. What?
Stop.
And there's our first cat of the day. And that's that. First catch of the day.
It's 10:30. I have caught 3 fish, and so have Owen. Here is
That's me.
Scannell. And there's Matthew on the phone. And there's Scannell again. Here's me. So we're booking out for the night.